Alright, so we got another one for you today. We are changing the ear duct. This one right here, it has a burst on it. As you can see, I had to tape it up until I got the new one. This is the new one, of which I will be replacing it with. So, as you can see, let's get into it. It has a screw in here. You just pull out these two parts. And then screw it out. And when you screw it out, you just pull here, and get it off. So let's just get into it. This is the ear filter top pulled off, just so you could get a more easily pull it out. This hose here, you gotta put it off. See? And it's off. This is the old one. Got it off. You're gonna need this hose, so you gotta pull off this hose as well. So you see this long hose here, you're gonna need it to put on a new one. See? Big burst. Had to tape it up. Cover that big rip. Just popped in there all of a sudden. Look how big it was. The thing is massive. It's like a big ass. So this is a new one. You're gonna put in. Okay, so this ear that I bought, it came with the little thing here, but this one is smaller, so I'm just gonna replace this small one back with the original, because I'd rather put the original big size one on it and use it instead of this small one, because as you can see, it's a tad bit smaller. Shape different. Well, it's not really smaller, but it's shaped different. But I just rather use back the original one, since the original one is perfectly fine. Alright, so I'm just taking parts off this to put on the new one. You know, because I mean, you can get this without this one. You can get this alone. Don't need to buy it with this. You can get it on eBay with this or by itself. These are for the Nissan Teana J32. Right? So you can get these parts by themselves. But I had just gotten it with it just in case I may need it or whatever. But if you don't need it, you don't need to get it with it. You can get it by itself. Just putting these back on. Get in here, and you'll see. Back on and good to go in no time. Alright, so here's the new duck. And then I'm trying to screw it in here. See? Fit nice and tight. Holding good. Then we have this to put back in. This to reattach. Okay. See, and this is where the air filter for the outside of the Nissan Teana J32 is located as well. See, right there. Just gotta pull this off. And you got it. You just remove this clip. It's most likely being like this, and you rise up these two clips here and lift this up, and you'll be in there for it. And you got it. So there's it here. You just gotta make sure watch what you're doing. Right. I just removed this is a sensor clip. Put this in. I guess this is too tight at the moment. You gotta open it up. Guess it's not interested in budging at the moment. But you just gotta loosen up the pipe metal thing in here. Let me show you. This, like on the old one. This off the old one. This is what you gotta free up or tighten so the edges will hold. So it seems mine is too tight, so this is not fitting in as yet. So you gotta loosen it up and fit it in there. Alright. And there it goes. Now it's fitting tight because the air filter here can it's fitted in and can clip. Alright. So once that's done, you can tighten this back up. Alright. Once that is tightened up, now, this is the old one. Remember, you gotta reattach this hose. This hose that way. Attached to here and here. Here and gotta reattach it. So we're gonna put that back into place now. See, most of the stuff on my engine here is off for the time being because repairs are being done. Some of these repairs I'm doing myself. You know, some I can't. But these are simple repairs. And you just do them yourself. So you put it in here. Right. So you see with these hose guys is that they come with this little thing here. And come with this little thing here. Sometimes it's hard to grip, so if you have a pliers, like you can hold it. It'll be easier to open it and close it. So you just get a pliers and get it done. See, I can move it with the pliers. And sometimes with the hand, you can do it with your hand, but sometimes it's a little difficult. You gotta have that finger strength. But the thing is, it depends on where it is when it's in the car. It gets a little harder in there. See? Move it like that. Easy to slide. Right back on. Maybe I should have put this on before I put this all together. But it's still easy. It's not hard. So like it's no need to like be thinking about, hey. See? There, it's done. You know, you get your pliers in. Seal back tight. Then you come here. This is the one we're gonna be putting back now. So you come here. Got it. Gotta repeat the same thing. And there. There. And that's it, guys. That was the complete off and on set change of the air duct for the Nissan Teana J32. Wasn't that hard. Changing just a few little things. You know, the parts, it's about 5 minutes, 10 minutes tops. You know, you change it out. Make sure you got these. Take your time. If you take off your filter here, you gotta make sure that you replace it. Reconnect it. Make sure anything you take off, you put back on. Always keep a check of everything you remove, everything you move, everything you disconnect. Reconnect them, set them up, and it's all good to go. Alright, thank you for watching another video.